Good morning, this is Paul with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE, fully loaded with only 33,000 miles. This is a wheelchair accessible, Freedom Motors converted, fresh unit, only 33,000 miles, XLE with leather interior, heated seats, navigation, power sunroof. Really nice van. Got bucket seats in the second row, power sunroof's open. Beautiful day. Gray leather interior. Really clean, only 33,000 miles. Very nice. Navigation. Heated seats. Zoom in there. Sunroof. This one's $39,995. Internet price on this one. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles in stock, starting from around $15,000 and going all the way up to $80,000. If you get into the high end, we have Chevy Suburbans, GMC Yukon, Chevy Silverados, side entry where you can drive right from your wheelchair. This is a beautiful Freedom Motors converted, wheelchair accessible. This is a manual entry. It's got power doors here. Power doors. XLE, Freedom Motors USA. We've been in business for over 30 years. We have hundreds of vehicles in inventory. Please check out our website at freedommotors.com or give us a call at 1-800-62-NEIL. Freedom Motors USA. Been in business for over 30 years. We offer hundreds of variety, huge variety of cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. This is really nice, freshly converted with bucket seats, navigation, sunroof, leather, all the bells and whistles. If you're looking for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, if you're interested in this one or anyone for that matter, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, we're in Battle Creek, Michigan. We offer nationwide demos, nationwide delivery, free demos offered in your home if you're interested in a vehicle. Got a big sale going on right now with the entry level ones around $29,995. Similar ones without the leather and sunroof and the bells and whistles. Got a huge variety. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335 if you are in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page. It's a beautiful vehicle. Pearl white, fog lamps, sunroof, stylish, luxury, all the bells and whistles. If you're interested in this vehicle or any wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.